Alright, man, it's the next day. Changing wardrobe, as you can tell. It's the next day. I did get another U-joint. Let me see if I can find the box. I don't know what I did with the box, y'all. My Moog part number was, these were Moog. Get that joker to focus in. Focus. There we go. The Moog part number, I don't know if y'all can read that. It might be backwards. It was 235. It was the Moog joint. And man, I don't even know what I did with that other one, man. I think the other one might have been like 234 or something, man. Y'all hold on, I'll be right back. And this one was a Master Pro brand. Master Pro from O'Reilly. Wanted some with a lifetime warranty, but I ain't feel like going to another store. This one only came with a 2-year warranty, but I didn't worry about it too much because I was like, okay, probably in 2 years I'll probably be to swap the motor, swap the trans, different stuff out. So I figured if it went bad in 2 years, it probably wouldn't be that big of a deal anyway. So went ahead and got it because I didn't want to go to another parts store. But anyway, this is what we got. This is 534G. And this one went to the transmission, the yoke for the transmission. That brand worked. Couldn't get the Moog brand to go in. I tried a C-clamp. I tried to tap it in with the hammer. I tried to beat it in with the hammer. It wasn't having it. It wasn't going. But I did notice that when I took them off, there was 2 different part numbers then also. There was 2 totally different joints. But anyway, that one went in a little bit smoother. I did have to put a little pressure on it, but that one did at least go in. So these are the 2 part numbers, boom and boom. I don't know, one of them might be upside down, but anyway, Moog and Master Pro, you probably can find both of them in whichever brand, but that's just what I had to do, you know, because of time. I didn't want to reorder Moog and all that stuff. These are the 2 little clamps. I ain't even sure if they work yet, but we got the drive shaft done. So hey, we're finna get up under here and see what we got. So let's get to it. All right, man, let's get this old drive shaft back in here. Man, I'll tell you, there's different ways to tell if your drive shaft needs U-joints. For me, I had a few different little things. When I put the bad boy in gear, I would get a clue type deal. What else? Also, I would get a when I let off the gas at certain speeds, I would get a different, it would like, I don't know how to explain it, but I would get something weird happening then. Kind of like it was missing, and then when I hit the gas, it'd go cloop, like it re-locked back in or something. I don't know. That could be something in the rear end, because I ain't been in the rear end. Anyway, like I was saying, I had to turn the camera around because it was facing the other way. I know you can't see me, but we up under the truck, and we now finna find out if these new pieces work. I ain't gonna give y'all the part number till I see if they work, but it does say GM and all that. So we finna see what we got right now. So it fit. I'm gonna give y'all the part number. I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this up under here because it's dark, but let's try anyway. Focus for me. It won't focus. Part number is 81001, and this is what the packet looks like.
81001. And this is on a sharp bed 1983 Chevy C10. Pretty sure they probably work on all GM stuff, because what I like about Chevrolet is they don't change nothing. If it work on this, it'll work on that. So got a few little plans I want to test out on the old truck. Screw these up nice and snug. But got a few things I want to try out with this truck. I want to try to add some power to it. Pretty sure y'all heard me say a million times that Iron Man won't get out his own way. And pretty much, if you know anything about cars, you know that the 350s ain't just no powerhouses. They can be, but you know, just in stock form. I think I told y'all this before, but this one is a 87 model engine. I learned that by the casting number. Got some 305 heads on it, and got a real small cam in it that don't seem like it makes much power up into the range of the RPMs and stuff. Seems like it may give me about 45 grand. And anybody that know anything about cars knowing that that's your power range, you ain't doing much. So what we gonna do is look for a set of heads, another set of heads, because them 305 heads, they bump the compression up, but I still ain't making no power that that I feel like is worth anything. So I want to see if I can find a set of Vortex heads. So if anybody got a set of Vortex heads, you want to donate them to the channel, or if you want to drop your price down in the comments, just let me know. We gonna throw them on, and we gonna see what kind of power we get. So what I'm gonna do is, I want to replace this first. Then I want to go down to the track, Twitch County track, which is the closest track near me, and I want to make a shakedown. And then let's see what kind of number it runs. Then I want to get some 2810.5s, throw them on the back, and see what kind of number we get with a nice tire on it. I also want to put a drive shaft loop on this truck, man, just in case something happens while I'm at the track. I don't want my drive shaft to come out, stick in the grind, and something bad happens. So what I want to do is put a drive shaft loop on this thing, and just another safety for the drive shaft. Something maybe can go like right here or something. Just some extra safety. Then we're gonna change out the transmission. It's a turbo 350, and what I want to do is put one that has a stall and all that other stuff in it. One built with a shift kit in it. Swap that out, and then we're gonna go back and run another number. Then I may take this motor, take it to a 355 and blah blah blah. But we just gonna see what really makes a 351 and what doesn't. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna change the cam out. We got some stuff coming. If y'all got some stuff y'all want to donate, let me know. If you got some stuff you want to sell, let me know. Drop it in the comments. Drop your price and how I can get in contact with you, man. And that's it. We finna get back up. We finna go get this thing. We're gonna tighten this up. Y'all just stay tuned though. If y'all remember correctly, I told y'all that I was sponsored by Milwaukee. That's because I am. I'm a big Milwaukee fan, man. I got a lot of Milwaukee tools. I ain't gonna say a lot, but I got this one. I got the 3/8 drive of this one. This is the 1/4 inch drive, and I got that big Milwaukee. So we're gonna tighten these on back up. I'm pretty sure they probably need to be torqued and all that stuff. But anyway, all right, man, that's a wrap. That's a wrap. We're gonna get this thing back on the grind. We're gonna get this thing back on the grind, and we're finna see what we got. Y'all just stay tuned.
Alright, man, we are back down on the ground. Back down on the ground. Take one last look up under here just to make sure everything looks good. Look at y'all up under here. Let's see. Yeah, dry shaft look pretty good. That still look good. All left to do now is test it out. Let's see what we got. Alright, man, so like I was saying before when I put it in the gear, I would get a little cloop noise. Y'all know Big Iron Man gotta get these 2 packs with this big bad carburetor on here. I know that was 3, but I missed it the first time, so mind your business. Let y'all get this cam in here, boy. I don't even know what's the number on this cam. Probably a little flat tapping cam, ain't much to it. But sound pretty good for the most part. Sound pretty good for the most part. Now, let's put this thing in reverse and hope the drive shaft stay where it's supposed to stay in. Let's see. Oh yeah, I ain't get no kind of clunk or nothing. I ain't getting nothing. Man, I'm gonna let this thing warm up, and I'm gonna let this bad boy warm up. Y'all know how these carburetors is. Let this thing warm up, and I'm gonna spin a block. Y'all stay tuned. All right, man. Fingers crossed y'all can hear me. It ain't too loud on the inside, all right, man. We finna go put some gas in this thing. Hopefully I don't see a dry shaft going up the street. Finna go ahead and put a little gas in there, man. Ooh. Whoa there. Finna pull out in front of somebody. So far, so good. Let's put some old 93 in this joker. Tight, we finna grab some gas and then we're gonna spin a few blocks. Alright, man, we letting this bad boy get some gas. Put some 93 in this thing. Anybody that got a C10 truck, you know how it is. You gotta put a nozzle in that thing just right, or it ain't gonna do right. Anybody that got one, had one, boy. If you don't put the nozzle in there right, you ain't gonna get much. It's a cheat code to this thing, man. You gotta have one long enough. Anyway, man, check in with y'all in a minute. We back to it, man. Now we just got some front end work to do. I done bought all of the bearings and ball joints and everything I need. I gotta figure out where I put it at. I don't know where I put it at. I think it's out there in my shop, but I gotta go out there and see where I put it at. So far, so good, man. Got these old electric fans wired up. Got them bad boys wired up. Supposed to come on at like 185 as opposed to go back off at 165. So far they've been working, but I tried to wire them up off of one relay and they burnt that bad boy up, so I had to buy 2 relays and rewired up. So far we've been good. Right now we're rolling at about 155 look like. So right now the fan shouldn't be running. Pretty cool day. I tell you what, man, if we gonna test the drive shaft out, we gonna test it out. We're gonna turn on one of these old back roads. We're gonna see what we got. Alright, man, here we go. I told y'all, I'm gonna talk about my truck now. I ain't gonna put it down or nothing, just go to it. Video, I'll probably be checking back in with y'all when I'm doing stuff to the front end. Trying to get the front end done because this thing ride bad, man. Ride bad. It used to ride pretty decent. I know I need shocks front and back. Shoot, probably everything done. I did all the steering stuff. I did all the control arms, inner and outer control arms, and all that stuff like that. The steering link, all that stuff. I did all that, so the steering ain't that bad. The steering is pretty responsive. New steering box, I did all that stuff. Only thing is just suspension stuff, ball joints,